Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip focusing on Forex that is taken from 1 hour and 19 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. I think that the big event that may have taken place in the last 3 days of trading this past week occurred in a market other than in Forex. And it may actually with the perspective of time, yes, in a few months we may see that that was actually really an historic event. I am covering a lot of charts in this long video that I recorded for my subscribers. You can also see that it's enough that you can take a trial. You will be able to see all those charts. You can pay with PayPal if you wish, or Money Bookers or PayZar. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I think the end of this past week may have triggered something really very big in various markets. I'll be doing my best to highlight and explain what I think is that big event. I have here quite a few charts. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the British pound US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, the US dollar Canadian dollar, the US dollar South African rand, the US dollar Czech koruna, the euro bond, USD bond, the USD bond long term chart, the TYX, the TNX, gold, silver, light crude, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the OX, that's the S&P 100, and then the DAX, the CAC 40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the IBEX 35 of Spain. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Also here I think that we are facing a setback. The bullish scenario, in my opinion, received quite a blow here. We have been working with, that's the daily scale, we have been working with assumption that's 1 and that's 2. Technically this is still viable, but when you will see the chart of the US dollar South African rand, when you will see the chart of silver and gold, you will see that it is not wise to ignore the possibility that this one would actually crash towards 98. So I think that if you are long the US dollar Canadian dollar, I would get out. I wouldn't take the chance that it'll hold the support here. Yes, there will be probably a rebound on Monday to correct the drop, but I'm not in a position to suggest that you stay with that long position in the dollar because of the pressure that I see coming from other forex pairs. I really think that you're running a risk that is not worth taking. I do not have at this point in time, if you like, an explanation what that might do to the long-term wave count here. We were working with the idea that that could be an inverse head and shoulders. It hit the level here, but it appears to be very weak. It's unable to muster the strength to hold ground for now. And this forex pair has been running if you like, along the same lines with the US dollar South African rand, and there we are seeing a massive divergence on the weekly scale, basically disfavoring the dollar. So I really think you should take account of that. This is a wave count that who knows, might turn to be correct, but I wouldn't trade on the basis of what you see here. That is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. I did warn yesterday that that looks like a false wave. We will have another dip to complete the run that began from here. That's exactly what happened. But now, after having examined many other charts and many other related markets, I think that those who go long this contract are vulnerable to have the following happen to them. Do you see that that would now rebound, will not go substantially above 101.30 or so. Sorry, 101.30 around here, but imagine will reverse down and break through this level and go way lower. So my advice to you, stay out of this forex pair for now. If you really want to trade forex, just remember what we have seen in the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. I would leave this one alone. If anything, I would consider the short side after a rebound here. Now here is a very important chart. That's US dollar South African rand. That's the weekly scale. And the very first thing I must show you here, Look at that. There is absolutely huge divergence here. This is serious. This is serious. This reached more or less the same level. This is serious, and it tells you that the scope of this one coming back up anytime soon is not good. You can see we had sorry, we were working with the idea that we have an inverted shoulders here, but here it comes out fairly clearly here. But the market says it's not up to the task right now, and in fact it's quite possible we have seen a fifth wave failure here. When I go to the details, you see how it fits. And it's not even a stretch to take this as an A, that's a B, and that's a failure C. Not only we had a failure fifth, inside the C we had a failure C, because it really didn't go substantially what you would expect normally to have the extent of the A running up, or even 1.6, 1.8, etc. No, it looks to me, based on the MACD here, that this one is heading lower. Is heading lower, and the performance recently looking really miserable. So this one is also supporting a rebound in gold. I am not sure what to make very long term about this, in terms of should I take this as one that's to be going down in a massive crash in the dollar against the South African rand, basically sending gold way higher. I'm not sure. I am going to focus on what I see here. I'm pretty worried for those who are long the dollar from because of the message that I see here. Just to make it clear, look. There is support for the MACD here. It comes down, it crashes through the level here. It could generate something like that. Exercise a bit your imagination, you will see that this could turn into a terribly bearish situation for the dollar. And look at that. That's the weekly. The daily. Look at the miserable. Look at the. It's more or less the same level. Didn't go anywhere. And when you look at the performance on the 60-minute chart, we have clearly 5 legs here, as you can see. So I think that any rebound that looks like that, and you are interested in gold and silver, take a look what it's doing here, because that is looking like a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any rebound here and coming back to break 8.1, that's probably telling you that there's another huge leg down. That won't surprise me, given the state of the MACD. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called PayZAR now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of to people from a lot of countries. Also, PayZAR, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. PayZAR now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries, so that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page, and I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand if you like my service? I mean, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. Just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here. to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, you go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.